You are going to love 2015 LEAF. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tilt steering wheel, navigation system, overhead console, panic alarm. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.